Hello everyone, today we are going to be doing ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas. This is a new feature for ChatGPT Pro users. If you're not a Pro user, you might want to spend the $20 and go ahead and sign up because this is a game changer. Let's do this. Hey guys, my name is Paul. I'm an educator, a dad, and I love technology and think it can save us lots of time. So we are going to do a project today where we use ChatGPT's 4.0 with Canvas to write an article for our students. So I'm studying U.S. history with my kids, and I want to create an article about the first arrivals to the United States. So the first thing you want to do is switch to ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas, which I've already done. You can do that by going up here. You're usually just on GPT 4.0 at the time of this video, but if you click here and go down to with Canvas, it looks the same, but it's getting ready to look a lot different. So I'm going to say, write a 500-word article about the first arrivals to the Americas. The article is for 8th grade students. And all of a sudden, you'll notice that this whole new page opens up. And there we go, just like ChatGPT can do, it created an article about the first arrivals to the Americas. And the first thing that you should notice about this is that I can edit the article right here in ChatGPT. So for example, I can add a sentence anywhere. I can type anywhere, which means I can really curate this to be my own. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Hey, before I go any further with this video, I want to let you know about the 7 essential AI prompts for educators. I put together 7 essential prompts. They're copy and paste. You can put them into any AI chatbot, and it should give you pretty good output. They work especially well with ChatGPT. These are free to download. All you have to do is follow the link in the description of this video. All right, let's get back to it. Now I need you to visualize something. Imagine that ChatGPT is sitting at a computer writing this article for you, and you are leaning over ChatGPT's shoulder, telling it what to do. And that's what happens when you highlight something, and then you press Ask ChatGPT. So I'm going to say here, expound on this idea. And then it adds more content, just like that, where I can go here and say, hey, change this word. And it changes the word. And again, it's just like I'm leaning over the shoulder, pointing to the screen saying, hey, do this, hey, do that. So as I'm reading through this, if I wanted to make something shorter, I could do that. There we go, I made it shorter. I could add bullet points. So this is one thing I don't like about it, is if you want to add something and there's nowhere to highlight, you kind of just have to push space and then highlight that. And then we'll click this. Add key points in bullet points. So it's reading over the article. Then it adds its key points. And by the way, I can turn any of these paragraphs into bullet points. Now let's see if it'll put these in a table. Yep, puts them in a table. That's pretty awesome. Now, that's not all that this thing can do. You can also go down here and you have some edits that you can do. So for example, we can adjust the length. We can make this longer or shorter. So let's make it a little longer. Press that send button. And it goes through and adds details to the whole article. You also need to notice that over here, your normal ChatGPT conversation is moved over here. We can also adjust the reading level here, which is pretty awesome. Which, by the way, I could take any article, not just one that ChatGPT writes, I can paste it into here because you can paste text, and I can adjust the reading level. So I can bring it down to middle school or kindergarten even. There we go. Pretty awesome. We can add emojis. Now, if I click this, it's going to add emojis to the whole thing, but that's all right. I have mixed feelings about this feature because it replaces words and just adds emojis. But I guess that makes it kind of fun. I can also ask ChatGPT to do that. So like if I highlight a word, I can put here, replace with emoji, or add an emoji. Basically anything you can imagine, you can ask ChatGPT to do, and it's going to do it here. And then this part, I really like this add final polish. So with this, it goes through and adds titles and section titles. And there we go. Just like that, I have an article that I can give to my students very easily. I've been able to go through and collaborate with ChatGPT and make it my own. By the way, speaking of collaboration, I can also do this. Make a comment to change this sentence. So when I say make a comment, ChatGPT adds a comment over here for editing, which means that you can collaborate with other people. By leaving these comments in here, people will be able to see them and they can apply them. And then ChatGPT does the work. This is an amazing tool. They're only going to keep adding to it. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to use ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas. We'll be making more content with this as I experiment with it more. I'm Paul with Smart Chalk AI, and thanks for watching.